Right guys, so we've checked into our hostel. It's called Casa de la Poco, I think. Pretty weird name. It's only £5 a night, so it's a bit ropey. But
it'll do. You don't expect much when you only pay £5. So
it's 3 nights, got a bed, looks clean enough. What more could you want really? So just walking into town now. Weather's still a bit rainy but a bit cooler, which is quite nice, so it's not too hot. Gonna grab some food, probably a classic Mexican. We'll try and find something else.
Yeah, I'm not sure I fancy it, but
maybe look for a salsa class or two.
And there's tacos everywhere.
Tacos.
Yeah, we should do the salsa tomorrow.
Yeah, there's a restaurant. We're gonna check out a restaurant that has free salsa lessons in them. Well, £2.50 for 2 hours of salsa lessons, so pretty good bargain. You see, this is like, we'll take you up here. Heard some music, so. Probably like a little square of like markets or food or not. No.
They were dancing, they've just
stopped. Dancing, they've seen us coming and they're gone. Oh!
What is it? Bar dancing? I'm gonna have a bar in bed. Just reminds me of Gavin and Stacey with Bridge. Anyway, we're back on track to go find some food. Made it to the salsa bar, but it's a bit dead and they don't do proper food, so it's more like snacks. So we're gonna have a gander, try and find somewhere else.
Classic burger, 60 pesos.
Oh,
that's like £2.
Cheers.
I don't really know, is it Mexican, but I think it's just a classic double burger with a bit of, normal burger, a bit of bacon, Gouda cheese. Forgot to say no mushrooms, so that's a big letdown, but oh well. Get that.
And I've got a barbecue burger, got a few onion rings, a bit of bacon. Lovely. No lettuce or anything, so a bit disappointed. Chips on the way.
So we've just finished our food in the burger place. It was decent, not bad price as well. 2 burgers, 2 beers and 2 cokes. It's only about 355 pesos and it's probably about 11 quid, so 5.50 each, can't complain. It's getting a bit cold here, so we're going to head back to the hostel, walk through centre, see like if there's anything going on there, but head back to the hostel, do a bit of editing and then catch an early night for our big day tomorrow, trying to find our shuttle for Lake Atitlan, and then do a bit of exploring and we'll take you guys with us. Banana, Nutella, and queso. Gracias. So we've got a marquesita here from a local food stand. It's basically a really thin crepe waffle type of thing, but like really thin and crispy. So traditionally you have cheese with any filling, which is really weird. So I've been recommended to get cheese, Nutella and banana. So we'll give it a go. Bit messy, but it tastes decent. Good. Just chocolate to be fair.
What a crap arc on the top. I was boring, got a chocolate crepe. I'll get a marquesito tomorrow, just don't fancy any cheese. The kid that served us was like, how old do you reckon he was? Yeah, I was going to say like 15 maybe. Got a motorbike as well to drive it about, so mad. It's fair, I'm used to like seeing young kids selling stuff here.
Yeah.
Like you literally get kids as young as like 4 years old, like come around restaurants late at night, selling bracelets, toys, just anything really. Right, we're going to head back to the hostel now, probably edit, so we'll see you tomorrow. Morning guys, just on the way to the free walking tour. So I think it's about 2 hours, just taking you around the city, all the architecture and stuff, and then we'll show a few clips of that and catch up with you after the tour to give you a little review of it.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy.
How you doing guys? We finished our walking tour. It was about 2.5 hours long. Pretty decent really informational, had a lot of cultural references and told you all about the stuff you needed to know really. Went to a little alcohol spot, we tried their local spirit, which was not nice at all. It's super strong.
What was it called? Posh?
Yeah, Posh I think, yeah.
You could get, we had a just normal straight out, was it 45%?
48% was a Posh, and then we had 18%.
It tastes slightly like cranberry.
It had something, I can't remember what it was called, but it tasted like cranberry. And then we had like a chocolate liqueur, because apparently the chocolate's really good here because it's in the mountains and everything. So that was alright as well. A bit of coffee aftertaste, but not too bad. So we've just sat down for some food.
Yeah, so we're going to book a tour for tomorrow. I think we're going to do the canyons tomorrow. So we're going to look somewhere to book that after this.
So we've all finished up our lunch. I had some nice chicken tostadas, which was pretty good with some avocado. And what did you have, Joe?
Club sandwich, just anything that's not Mexican.
Nice Mexican tradition.
Everything I've eaten on the vlog is just not Mexican. I have eaten Mexican.
We do like Mexican food, don't worry, but it's getting a bit boring now. That's why we're looking forward to Guatemala. But yes, so we've booked a tour for tomorrow to the canyon. I can't exactly remember exactly what it's called. So we've got the canyon tomorrow. We've got to get picked up at 9 AM. And then it's a little, I think about maybe an hour or 2 hour drive. And then we've got a 2 hour boat journey down this big canyon where there's meant to be crocodiles and spider monkeys. If we're lucky, we'll see them. And then we've got a big viewpoint over that. And I think we go to a little town, but you'll be seeing that all tomorrow with us. So not to worry. Morning guys. So it's nice and early here in San Cristobal. We've just got on our coach to the canyon trip for today. We have got probably about a 2 hour drive because we've got to pick up a few other people as well. So we don't know how full it is or not. Last night we just had some food, chilled one, had some chicken wings and not even had a beer actually, so being good. Joe, how are you feeling today, this morning?
Alright, dodgy stomach from the spicy chicken wings. Luke ordered it was too spicy, and then bottled it and didn't eat any of them.
I had 2. That's one thing you get in Mexico or any spicy places. Your stomach, ring sting, and your stomach will definitely feel it next morning if you're not very used to it. But we'll catch you guys when we get to the canyon.
Just arrived at the viewpoint after about 2 hour drive. Luke pissed himself.
Not pissed myself.
Yeah.
My water leaked on my leg, so it looks like I pissed myself.
Well, that's the story, yeah. I think he's pissed himself. But anyway, we'll show you a few videos of the viewpoint. Only got 5 minutes here, so we're back on the bus. I think we're going on the boat now. Don't know though, I'll let you know.
finished the boat trip. We've arrived in Chiapa, I think it's called, Chiapa. Boat ride was about 2 hours. Good little ride, good scenery. We couldn't fly the drone because it was going too fast, so I'd lost it in the canyon, which I don't want to do. So we got some good footage from the camera. Saw some crocodiles, saw a couple monkeys, but the monkeys are pretty far away. So is the crocodiles, so it's quite hard to actually get good footage of them. But we'll manage.
Yeah, it was actually a lot better than I thought. For £15 for like shuttle here, shuttle back, going to the viewpoints, and then obviously the 2 hour boat trip. We were just saying that in somewhere like Cancun, it'd be like 100 quid at least.
Triple the price, definitely.
Yeah, at least.
And a lot more tips wise, and we'd
so
hardly go
£15,
into anywhere.
Absolute bargain.
Yeah, and like you say, we're in a town now, so we can have a little walk around until we get our shuttle back. So we're going to go find some food somewhere.
Found a little street stall, carrying on with our Mexican theme, getting 4 hot dogs. Not all for me, 2 for me. Lovely little place. Yeah.
That's good.
Out of 10.
8. How's your hot dog, Joe?
10 out of 10. Top 3 meals I've had in Mexico.
Big statement.
It was unreal. We've got about an hour till we have to get back to the shuttle, meet at a fountain. Found the fountain. Just got back from the tour that we did, and we're having a second attempt to get some drone footage of the sunset in the basketball court. So, apart from that, it's the end of the video. So we'll end the video on some drone shots of hopefully me getting a few basketball shots in. So make sure you like, subscribe and share so we don't have to go home.